Symbolism in Death of a Salesman. Introduction. Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman is a play rich in symbolism, with various elements representing abstract ideas and themes. This analysis will delve into the symbols used in the play, their meanings, and how they reinforce the themes of illusion, identity, and the corrupting influence of the American dream. By examining these symbols, we can gain a deeper understanding of the play's characters and their struggles, as well as the societal commentary Miller offers. The Salesman's Suitcase. Willie's suitcase is a potent symbol of his profession and identity, representing his endless pursuit of success and his inability to let go of his dreams. The suitcase is always packed, ready for the next trip, signifying Willie's constant striving for more. This symbol highlights the tension between Willie's reality and his illusions, as he clings to his salesman persona despite his failing career. The rubber hose Willie uses to take his own life is a stark symbol of the destructive nature of his own illusions and the suffocating pressure of his false dreams. The hose represents the crushing weight of Willie's expectations and the devastating consequences of his inability to confront reality. This symbol underscores the tragic consequences of Willie's pursuit of the American dream. The seeds. The seeds Willie plants in his garden represent his desire for growth, renewal, and a connection to nature. However, the seeds' failure to grow symbolize Willie's own failed dreams and his disconnection from reality. This symbol highlights the tension between Willie's aspirations and his inability to cultivate meaningful relationships or achieve success. The Diamond Watch. The watch Ben gives Willie symbolize the elusive American dream and the illusion of success. The watch represents the tangible rewards of success, but also the emptiness and superficiality of material wealth. This symbol critiques the societal pressure to pursue wealth and status above all else. The house. The Lohman house, with its crumbling walls and leaky roof, symbolized the decay of Willie's dreams and the disintegration of his family. The house represents the physical manifestation of Willie's failed aspirations and the erosion of his identity. This symbol underscores the devastating consequences of Willie's pursuit of the American dream. The jungle. The business world is a jungle, and Willie is just trying to survive. This symbol represents the cutthroat nature of capitalism and the struggle for survival in a competitive society. The jungle highlights the tension between individual aspiration and the crushing pressure of societal expectations. The train. The train that runs outside the Lohman house symbolized the relentless pace of modern life and the crushing pressure on individuals. The train represents the unstoppable force of societal progress, leaving Willie and his family in its wake. This symbol critiques the dehumanizing effects of modern society. The light. The light that shines on Willie during his flashbacks represents the illumination of his past and the revelation of his true self. The light symbolizes the moment of clarity and self-awareness Willie achieves, but is unable to sustain. This symbol highlights the tension between Willie's illusions and his growing awareness of reality. The funeral. Willie's funeral, attended by few people, symbolized the emptiness and isolation of his life. The funeral represents the devastating consequences of Willie's pursuit of the American dream, as he dies alone and unfulfilled. This symbol underscores the tragedy of Willie's story and the need for re-evaluation of societal values. Conclusion. In Death of a Salesman, Miller's use of symbolism adds depth and complexity to the play, inviting audiences to interpret and reflect on the characters and their struggles. The symbols reinforce the themes of illusion, identity, and the corrupting influence of the American dream, highlighting the devastating consequences of chasing an unattainable ideal. Through these symbols, Miller critiques the societal pressures that lead individuals like Willie to pursue false dreams, ultimately leading to their downfall.